Alright guys, it's almost time to install the European headlights on this thing. I'm so excited. 123s everywhere. Yeah,
She's doing good.
she's doing good.
She's arguing with her brother, so today her mother called.
Oh yeah. The older kids think they're like
Well, the
the head,
the
yeah.
15-year-old.
It's good.
Then use the grill line.
Oh yeah. It's gonna close completely and then it's gonna clear the top.
How about that?
How about that?
Side.
Yeah. I'm looking, it cannot be like that, you know.
No.
Yeah, this looks so good.
Good.
Yeah.
Look in the parts car in back too.
Oh yeah.
Maybe it has this piece.
This one, right. It's missing a little bit from the grill. Yeah.
All right.
Ooh, raining. But I'll show you guys what I'm doing right now. I'm installing my Euro headlights. And I already finished one side. Look at that. Oh, that thing looks so good. Oh my god. I still have the white turn signals. I'm gonna install them maybe later or maybe some other day. I want to see how the car's gonna look with these orange turn signals. And I'm also using the stainless steel bolts so they will never rust. Alright guys, got everything installed. My hood is not closed all the way yet, but yeah, it looks pretty good.